If only there was a button to actually create a new sheet. Once we click it, yes, there's this add sheet button. And yes, we can go to the downward arrow and say duplicate, sure. But let's have some fun in Google Sheets. Let's insert a drawing. Let's make this fun shape. Click me. Now I want to click this and copy the sheet. So let's go to extensions AppScript. Function duplicate sheet. We're going to get variable sheet equals spreadsheet.get active sheet.copy to spreadsheet app.get active spreadsheet. That is the entire file here. That's all we should need to do. We'll have duplicate sheet, and we're going to click on this image. We're going to click the three buttons or dots, click assign script, and paste the name of the script. Click it. Here we can copy of copy, click it again, makes another copy of a copy of a copy, click it again, copy of a copy of a copy, and now every time we click it, we have a new sheet. Hope you enjoyed that. You're watching Better Sheets here on YouTube. Make sure you check out this video or this video and subscribe right now to get more tips, tricks, how-tos, get more out of your Google Sheets than you ever have before. I'm excited to be making a ton more videos here. Ask me questions down in the comments and I will answer them in future videos. But for right now, right here, one of these videos is going to be your next Google Sheet.